हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम 1 अक्टूबर से 8 अक्टूबर तक की जो करंट अफेयर्स है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वर्ल्ड मैरीटाइम डे 2021 सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन व्हिच डेट? आंसर इज 30 September। ऑप्शन नंबर सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, who is the first female prime minister of Tunisia? Answer is Najla Boden Ramdhani. Option number A. Question number 3. The United States has clinched the 2021 Ryder Cup by defeating Europe. 44th Ryder Cup will be held in which country? Answer is option number D, Italy. Question number 4. The Cabinet has approved the continuation of centrally sponsored national scheme for PM Poshan schools for 5 more years till 2025 to 26. What is the total scheme of the budget? Answer is option number A, 1,30,795 crore. Question number Question number 5. Indian Air Force proudly celebrated its 89th anniversary on which date? Answer is 8th October. Question number 6. Former world champion Manny Pacquiao announced his retirement from professional boxing after 26 years and 72 professional bouts. He belongs to which country? Answer is Philippines. Question number 7. The fifth edition of the Elite Women's National Boxing Championship will be held in which state? Answer is Haryana. Question number 8. Who is the author of the book Sangvidhan, Sanskriti or Rashtra? Answer is C. Kalraj Mishra. Question number 9. International Day of Awareness of Food Loss Waste 2021 celebrated on which date? Answer is 29 September. Option number C. Question number 10. Lucy mission will be the first mission to study the Trojan asteroid. Who will launch this mission? Answer is option number C, NASA. Question number 11. Who has been selected as the new brand ambassador of the National Basketball Association NBA? Right answer is option number C, Ranbir Singh. Question number 12. Who took over the charge as Vice Air Chief? Right answer option number D, Sandeep Singh. Question number 13. Who has got top rank in the IIFL Wealth Hurun India Rich List 2021? Right answer is Mukesh Ambani. Option number A. Question number 14. Who has been selected as new MD and CEO of National Securities Depositories Limited NSDL? Right answer है Padma Chandaru. Padma Chunduru. Right answer is option number D, Padma Chunduru. Question number 15. International Day of Older Persons 2021 celebrated on which date? Right answer is option number A, 1st October. Question number 16. Nata Sankirtana is a festival of dance and music. Which state celebrates this festival? Right answer is option number C, Manipur. Question number 17. Which program has launched a joint initiative of Ministry of Labour with Microsoft India to enhance the employability of youth? Right answer is DG Saksham. Question number 18. Which country successfully tested a new hypersonic missile called Hwasong 8? Right answer is North Korea. Question number 19. Who has been awarded Yadon Prize 2021? Right answer is Dr. Rukmani Banerjee. Option number C. Question number 20. Which cricketer completed 100 catches for Chennai Super Kings in Indian Premier League IPL 2021? Answer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Option number C. Question number 21. Who is the author of Chronicle from the Land of the Happiest People on Earth? Right answer is option number D. Wally Soyinka. Question number 22. 2nd October 2021, India celebrated how many years birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? Option number C. 152. Right answer is option number C. Question number 23. Who has assumed charge as first Director General of Ordnance Services? Right answer is E.R. Sheikh. Question number 24. Which ministry has launched the secret portal? Answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Ministry of Empowerment. Option number C and B. Question number 25. International Coffee Day 2021 celebrated on which date? Right answer is option number A, 1st October. Question number 26. Who has been elected as the chairman of the ISA? Right answer is option number B, Sunil Kataria. Question number 27. Chinnor rice gets GI tag from which state? Right answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 28. Which cricketer became the first Indian woman to score a century in the Pink Ball Test 2021? Answer is Smriti Mandhana. Option number C. Question number 29. Who is the author of the book A Taste of Liverpool Way, a Recipe for Success? Answer is Mona Nemer. Question number 30. Who has been appointed as President of Automotive Skills Development Council ASDC? Right answer is Binod Agarwal. Option number B. Question number 31. Where has the world's largest Khadi national flag been unveiled in India? Right answer is option number D, Ladakh. Question number 32. Who is the new MD and CEO of rating agency CRISIL? Right answer is Amish Mehta. Question number 33. Mamadi Doumbouya elected as president of which country? Answer is option number C, Guyana. Question number 34. Cyclone Shaheen hits Oman at Arabian Sea. Which country was given the name? Right answer is Qatar. Option number D. Question number 35. Who has been appointed as the new Sports Secretary of India? Right answer is Sujata Chaturvedi. Question number 36. Who is the new brand ambassador of Uttar Pradesh state scheme One District One Product ODOP? Right answer is Kangana Ranawat. Option number C. Question number 37. Who is the chief hydrographer in India? Right answer is Adhir Arora. Option number C. Question number 38. Who is the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority NFRA of India? Right answer is option number C. Ashok Kumar Gupta. Right answer is C. Ashok Kumar Gupta. Question number 39. Who wins the Nobel Prize 2021 for Medicine? Right answer is David Julius Erdem Patapotian. Option number C. A and B. Question number 40. Which state's white onion get GI tag? Right answer is option number B. Maharashtra. Question number 41. Who launched the Wetlands of India portal? Right answer is Bhupendra Yadav. Question number 42. World Animal Day 2021 celebrated on which date? Right answer is option number D. 4th October. Question number 43. Which medal won India in Asian Table Tennis Championship 2021? Right answer is option A. Bronze. Question number 44. Which states inaugurated India's first sports arbitration center? Right answer is option number A. Gujarat. Question number 45. Mitra Shakti, a bilateral exercise 2021 held between India and which country? Right answer is Sri Lanka. Option number B. Question number 46. Who won the Right Livelihood Award 2021? Right answer is LIFE. Option number C. LIFE का full form है Legal Initiative for Forest and Environment. Question number 47. World Space Week celebrated on option number A. 4 अक्टूबर से 10 अक्टूबर तक सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Question number 48. Who is the new Secretary of the Department of Telecommunications? Right answer is option number C. K. Rajaraman. Question number 49. World Habitat Day 2021 observed on which date? Right answer is option number C. 4 October. Question number 50. Vijayanagar has officially become the 31st district of which Indian state? Right answer option number C. Karnataka. Question number 51. Vodakalam rice from which Indian state got the GI tag? Right answer is option number C. Maharashtra. Question number 52. Which among the following rivers is the cleanest river of the India as informed by Jal Shakti Ministry? Right answer is option number C. Umanghat. Question number 53. Who has been selected for the second time as Prime Minister of Ethiopia? Right answer is Abiy Ahmed. Option number B. Question number 54. World Teachers Day 2021 celebrated on which date? Right answer is option number B. 5 October. Question number 55. Who is appointed General Secretary and Executive Head of Indian Steel Association? Right answer is option number A. Alok Sahai. Question number 56. Which football club won the Durand Cup Football Tournament 2021? Right answer is FC Goa. Question number 57. Who is the new brand ambassador of crypto exchange CoinDCX? Right answer is option number B. Amitabh Bachchan. Question number 58. Union Home Minister Amit Shah flagged off All India Car Rally Sudarshan Bharat Parikrama of National Security Guard NSG from where? Option number A. Right answer is option number A. Red Fort. Question number 59. Shakti Sinha, who passed away recently, served as the private secretary to the which former Indian Prime Minister? Right answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option number C. Question number 60. Indian money has tied up with which bank for a gold loan co-lending partnership? Right answer is IndusInd Bank. Option number C. Question number 61. Who has topped the IIFL Wealth Hurun India Rich List 2021 for the 10th year in a row? Uh, right answer is option number A. Mukesh Ambani. Question number 62. 23-year-old Shashwat Nakrani is the youngest self-made individual in Hurun India Rich List 2021. He is the co-founder of which company? Right answer is option number D, Bharat Pay. Question number 63. Who has been appointed by the RBI as the administrator of Sri Infrastructure Finance Limited SFIL, Sri Equipment Finance Limited SEFL? Right answer is Rajnish Sharma. Option number A. Question number 64. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the National Basketball Association NBA for India? Right answer is Ranbir Singh. Question number 65. Shiv Nadar and Malika Srinivasan have been chosen by the US India Business Council USIBC as the recipient of its 2021 Global Leadership Award. Who is the president of USIBC? तो USIBC के प्रेसिडेंट हैं निशा देसाई विश्वाल. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. Ghanshyam Nayak, who passed away recently, who was a veteran? ऑप्शन नंबर ए एक्टर थे. घनश्याम नायक एक्टर थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67. Who is the winner of Nobel Prize 2021 in Physics? Right answer is all of the above. Option number D. Klaus Hasselmann, Giorgio Parisi, Shiokuro Manane, इन सभी को नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया है फिजिक्स में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68. Who has been appointed as the new MD of LIC? Right answer is BC Patnaik. Option number B. Question number 69. Who owned Meltwater Champion Chess Tour 2021? Right answer is Magnus Carlsen. Question number 70. Fifth edition of Maritime Exercise GMAX conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, Japan. Question number 71. Who is the new president of the Indian Weightlifting Federation? Right answer is Sahadev Yadav. Option number A. Question number 72. Ganga River Dolphin Day 2021 celebrated on which date? Right answer is option number C, 5 October. Question number 73. World Cotton Day observed on which date? Right answer is option number C, 7 October. Question number 74. Which company has recently acquired 100% stake in digital lending startup Credit Mart? Right answer is Paytm. Option number C. Question number 75. Which web series won the Best Drama Series award at the Asian Academy Creative Awards? Right answer is option number 2, Scam 1992. Option number B है right answer. Question number 76. Veteran actor Arvind Trivedi, best known for playing which character on the popular 1986 mythological show Ramayana, who died recently? Right answer is Ravan. वो रावण के रोल में थे. Question number 77. Where is India's first vertical lift railway sea bridge situated? Right answer is Tamil Nadu. Option number D. Who wins? Question number 78. Who wins the Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Right answer is option number C. A and B. Benjamin List and डेविड मैकमिलन, इन दोनों को केमिस्ट्री में नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79. एडाउड चिली एंड कुट्टियाटूर मैंगो गॉट GI टैग फ्रॉम व्हिच स्टेट? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए केरला. तो एडाउड चिली एंड कुट्टियाटूर मैंगो को GI टैग दिया है, वो केरला के है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. Who is the new brand ambassador of Amrutanjan Healthcare? Right answer is option number C and B. दोनों ही है. मीराबाई चानू और बजरंग पुनिया, इन दोनों ये दोनों ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है अमृतांजन हेल्थ केयर के.